Hi my friends, in this video we talk about a little bit about some features in the human interface station. Firstly is our functional case. You know that the Yokogawa have a special keyboard where you can assign some hotkey. For example, if you want to run some programs, you assign it, and then to find the path of your program. For example, in Windows 32, and you want to run the calc programs, you simply write like this. Select it. And next options is our constant. It's firstly is our printers tab, and here we defined what type of message should be printed on the specific printers, and these printers can be local or network printers. And the next tab is open interface, and here we define the message that are assigned to specific user groups. The next tab is about closing process. The closing process is used to convert recorded trend data into the statistical data for reporting, and it's allow you take data and generate statistics for the daily average or monthly average, and we use it for reporting, for decision making, and for performance analysis. And the last one is the long-term data save, and this tab we use to make a storage and save our trends, our processed data, and our historical message. And the next one is our sequence message request builder, and it allows us to display message step by step according to the process sequence. For example, when you start your steam turbine, and you need the first look at the oil system temperature, and look oil system starts. Then you need to look to the speed of the turbine. And the next one you need, for example, to valve opening, and here you write your programs, and you observe it step by step. The next one is about the panel set, and it's our ask to define a combination of windows that can be displayed on the screen at the same time. So with one action, the operator can open multiple windows together. And for example, you want to look at the whole process, or you want to look at the whole trend, and you want to look at the all alarms in your system, you can group it in this panel set builder. And next one is our scheduler, and here you, for example, you write some function, start turbine, and here you define the start method for example, every day, and here the same every day, and start time, you apply your start time, and your function will start at the time, and for example, every day. And here the last one, my friends, it's our trends. You can change the properties of your trends from here, and we will return to trends in our next lesson. And for example, you also can generate the help message for your operators, and for this purpose you come to help Windows, and here you open the file, create new, and choose the Windows, and here you can generate your message. For example, remove, please open Windows, and in the future you can use this message, and you can generate up to 10,000 help message for your operator. And for finally, I want to talk about our trends. Let's open our trends, and here you indicate your variable. Here you choose the data type for your variable, and here you also use the data access span change, and we use it when you want to set the custom scale range according to your needs. We have one options. This option will activate from the closing definition. It's mean that you defined how trend data is summarized over the time. For example, you can generate daily data and monthly data, and it's also based on our constant for the history. And here you change the data for daily, monthly, and you also set the our period storing of our data. And I think it's all right, guys, and that is all for today. In the next lesson we will closer look at the OC64 blocks in Yokogawa CENTUM VP. Also, I would like to let you know that our training servers are now up and running, and you can request for them from the taskflow.az webpage. And we have pre-installed the Yokogawa system. A schematic manager is also available on our servers. And also, if you want, you can buy the monthly subscription or the daily subscription for our servers. And finally, I want to say goodbye, and I wish you all the best in your life and in your learning. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. See you on the next lesson.